Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 2.1. Let us get into the session.
Look at this chapter 2, percentage and simple interest. Percentage is a fraction with denominator 100. Percentage is a fraction with denominator 100. To convert a fraction as percentage, multiply the numerator and denominator of the fraction by 100. To convert a percentage as fraction, write it as fraction with denominator 100. And then to convert decimal into percentage means multiply the given decimal by 100 percentage. And then next one, amount is the total money returned by the borrower to the lender after a certain period of time. It is found by using amount equal to principal plus interest. Amount equal to principal plus interest. A equal to amount A equal to P plus I. Next one, simple interest. Simple interest equal to PNR by 100. Here P is the principal, N is number of years, time period, and then R is the rate of interest. So that is the formula. Let me see now exercise problems. Exercise 2.1, first question. In each of the following grid, find the number of colored squares and express it as a fraction, decimal and percentage. Listen. First one, see this figure. How many total number of squares in this figure is 100. So total number of squares equal to 100. One column is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows, 10 columns. So totally 100 squares. And then number of colored squares or shaded squares. How many? Listen. 1, 2, 3. 3 columns means 30. Here 7. So 37. 44. 51, 58. So number of color squares is 58. Now fraction, first one, fraction. How will you write in fraction? Totally 100, in that 58 were colored. So 58 by 100. And then decimal. Divide means we get the decimal. So 58, write the number. 2 digit before we keep the pointer because 2 zeros is there. So 0.58. Now percentage. 58 by 100, that means 58 percentage. That is the answer. Next one. Here total number of squares. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also 10. So totally 100. And number of colored square. that is 53. Now fraction equal to out of 100 53 were colored, so 53 by 100. Decimal, write the numerator and in denominator 2 zeros is there, so 2 digit before we have to keep the point, so 0.53. Next one, percentage divided by 100, 53 divided by 100, so 53 percentage. Percentage is the out of 100, so out of 100 53, so that is 53 percentage. Next one, total number of squares, that is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, 5 here 10, 5 into 10 50, 50 squares is there. So number of colored square, alternative means 25, half of that were colored, so 25. Now in fraction equal to out of 50 25 were colored, so 25 by 50. Now decimal, 25 by 50, we have to convert into 100 means what number we have to multiply? 2. So 25 2s are 50 divided by 100, that means 0.50 is the decimal. Now percentage, how much? 50 by 100, that is 50 percentage. That is the answer. First sum, fourth subdivision. Listen this one. Here 1 2 3 4 5, 5 rows, sorry 5 columns and 5 rows. So total number of squares is equal to 5 into 5 25. Now number of colored squares, that is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So 17 were colored. Now in fraction, 17 divided by 25, out of 25 17 were colored, so 17 by 25. Next in decimal, 17 by 25. Now we want to convert into 100, means which number we have to multiply? 4. Same number we have to multiply with 17 also. So 17 4s are 68 divided by 100. We can write in percentage, that is 68 divided by 100 means 68 percentage. So that is the answer. Fifth subdivision. Listen, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 columns, 6 rows. So totally 6 into 5 30. Here 5 into 5 25. 5 rows, 5 columns. Here 6 rows, 5 columns. So 30. Total number of squares equal to 30. Now number of colored square, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 were colored. Now in fraction, 15 divided by 30 and decimal equal to 15 divided by 30. We can cancel this number by 15th table. 15 1 is 15, 2 15s are 30. Now 1 by 2. How will you change it to 100 means? 2 50s are 100, so same number we have to multiply with numerator also. So we get 50 by 100, that is decimal. Now percentage equal to 50%, that is the answer. Second sum, a picture of chessboard is given. Here they given the chessboard. Now from that they ask the question, first subdivision, that is find the percentage of the white colored squares. In this board white color and grey color is there. Now we have to find out the percentage of the white colored squares. So first one, total number of squares. Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns, 8 rows. So 8 into 8, 64 squares. So total number of squares is 64. Now number of white color, that is half of that. So 64 by 2, that is 32 were white color. Now they ask percentage. Listen, 32 out of 64 into 100 means we get the percentage. Fraction into 100 means we get percentage. So how much? 32 1 is 32, 32 2s are 64. So 100 divided by 2, that is 50. So percentage is 50. Next one, find the percentage of grey color square. Same thing, total number of squares equal to 64. Number of grey squares equal to half is 32, that is white color means balance half, the 32 is grey color. So now the percentage equal to 32 by 64 into 100. So that is also 50%. Now third one, find the percentage of the squares that have the pieces. Find the percentage of the squares that have the pieces. How many number of squares which have the chess coins? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So first write down total number of squares, that is equal to 64. Number of squares have the pieces, that is equal to how much? 20. Now percentage equal to 20 divided by 64 into 100. Now 20 divided by 64 into 100. Listen the cancellation. 16 fours are 64. 25 fours are 100. Again 4 fours are 16. 5 fours are 20. So 25 into 5, 125 divided by 4. So divide means 125 divided by 4. 3 twos are 3 fours are 12. Bring down the 5. 1. So remainder 1. So what is the quotient? Remainder by divisor. So what is quotient here? 31. Remainder 1. Divisor 4. 31 1 by 4 percentage. That is the answer. Fourth one. The squares that do not have the pieces. So find the percentage of the squares that do not have the pieces. Listen. That have the pieces means 20. So out of 64, 20 have the pieces. So balance is 44. Now write down total number of squares equal to 64. Number of squares do not have pieces, that is equal to 44. Now percentage equal to 44 divided by 64 into 100. Now cancellation. 11 fours are 44, 16 fours are 64. Again 4 fours are 16, 25 fours are 100. Now 25 into 11, 275 divided by 4. So that is 6 fours are 24, balance 3, 35. 8 fours are 32, balance 3. So quotient remainder by divisor, that is 68 3 by 4. So now 275 by 4, that is equal to 68 3 by 4 percentage. So that is the answer. Third sum, a picture of dartboard is given. This is the dartboard. Find the percentage of white colored portion and black colored portion. We have to find out the percentage of white color portion and black color portion. Listen. First, what we have to find out total number of portions. They divided into portions. How many portions are there means? Listen, they given the number 20. So 1, 2, 3 is there. So 20 is the highest number. So that is the total number of portions. Now first one, number of white portion, that is equal to half of that. So 10, half of 20 is 10, that is white portion. So percentage of white portion is equal to 10 by 20 into 100. We have to find out the percentage. How means fraction into 100. Fraction is 10 divided by 20 into 100. Now cancel this two zeros. 100 divided by 2, 50. 50 percentage. Next one. Number of black portion, that is also 10. So percentage of black portion is equal to 10 divided by 20 into 100. We get 50 percentage. So 50 percentage white portion and 50 percentage black portions. That is the answer. Fourth sum, write each of the following fractions as percentage. They given a fraction, so we have to find out the percentage for that. First one, 36 divided by 50. How will you find out in percentage? That means 36 divided by 50 into 100. Listen this cancellation. 150 is 50, 250s are 100. So 36 into 2, 72 percentage. That is the answer. Next one, 81 divided by 30. 81 divided by 30 into 100. 0 cancelled. 27 3s are 3 1 is 3. 27 3 is 81. So answer 27 into 10, 270 percentage. Next one, 42 by 50. 42 by 50 into 100. Listen, 42 by 50 into 100. So cancel this number. 51 is 50, 52s are 100. So it is 56. So 42 divided by 56 into 100. Now listen. Both the numbers are divisible by 7. 6 sevens are 42. 8 sevens are 56. Again cancel by 2 table. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. Write down the number. 3 by 4 into 100. 4 1 is 4. 25. 4s are 100. So 3 25s are 75 percentage. That is the answer. Next one, fourth subdivision, 2 1 by 4. How will you change that? It is in mixed fraction, so improper fraction. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4 into 100. Now cancel this number. 4 1 is 4. 25 4s are 100. So 925 is equal to 225 percentage. Fifth one, 1 3 by 5. Change into improper 1 5 is 5 plus 3 8. 8 by 5 into 100. Cancel this number. 5 1 is 5. 5 20s are 100. So 8 into 20. 8 2s are 16. Put the 0 means 160 percentage. That is the answer. Fifth sum. Anbu scored 436 marks out of 500 in his exams. What was the percentage he scored? Listen. Total marks equal to 500. Anbu scored 436. So, percentage of his marks equal to 436 divided by 500. That is the fraction. No, out of 500 he scored 436. Into 100 means we get the percentage. 2020 cancelled. So remaining number. So 436 divided by 5. 8 5s are 40. Balance 3. Brings down the 6. 7 times 35. Balance 1. Keep the point and put 0 here. So 2 5s are 10. So what is the answer? 87.2 percentage. That is the answer. Sixth sum. Write each of the following percentage as fraction. Listen. 21 percentage. If you see the percentage symbol, that means 21 divided by 100. That is out of 100. So answer is 21 divided by 100. That is the answer. Next one. 93.1 percentage. Now 93.1 divided by 100, but it is in decimal. So after the decimal point, one digit is there. So we have to multiply 10 with both numerator and denominator. So we get the answer. 93.1 into 10 means 931 divided by 100 into 10, 1000. So that is the answer. Next one, third subdivision, 151 percentage. Answer 151 out of 100. So 151 divided by 100, that is the fraction. Next one, 65 percentage. Listen, 65 divided by 100. We can simplify, means we have to simplify that. 13 5s are 20 5s are 100. So answer 13 divided by 20. Next one, 0.64 percentage. Write down as it is. 0.64 divided by 100. Listen, it is in decimal. After the decimal point, 2 digits is there. So we have to multiply by 100 with both the numerator and denominator. So answer 0.64 into 100 means 64 divided by 100 into 100 10,000. Cancellation. 16 fours are 64, 25 fours are 100. Put the 2 0 means we get 16 by 2500. Again fourth table, 4 fours are 16, 6 fours are 24, balance 1, it becomes 10, 2 fours are 8, balance 2, it becomes 20, so 5 times. Answer 4 by 625. That is the answer. Seventh sum, Indian bought 5 dozen eggs. Out of that 5 dozen eggs, 10 eggs are rotten. Express the number of good eggs as percentage. Listen. 1 dozen equal to 12 eggs. We know that 1 dozen equal to 12 eggs. Number of eggs Indian bought equal to 5 dozen, that is 5 into 12, 60 eggs. Here out of that 5 dozen eggs, 10 eggs are rotten. So number of rotten eggs equal to 10. So number of good eggs equal to 10 eggs are rotten. So total number of eggs is 60. 10 were rotten means 50 or eggs are good. We have to express this as percentage. Now percentage of good eggs equal to 50 out of 60, that is the fraction. Out of 60, 50 were good. Into 100 means we get the percentage. 0 0 cancelled. So 500, 5 into 100, 500 divided by 6. 6 8s are 48, balance 2, bring down the 0, it becomes 20. How much? 8 6 are 6 3s are 18, balance 2 again, keep the point and put 0, it becomes 20. So again 3 times 18, again we get the remainder 0 2 and put the 0 means we get 20. So it goes on like that. After the decimal point 2 digits is enough. So 83.33%. That is the answer. Eighth sum, in an election, candidate X secured 48% of votes. What fraction will represent this votes? That is the question. Listen, percentage of vote they given. That is 48%. percentage of votes candidate X secured. Now in fraction, how will you write in fraction? 48 out of 100. Now we can simplify this one. How many times? 12 fours are 48, 25 fours are 100. So answer 12 by 25. That is the answer. Ninth sum. Ranjit total income was rupees 7,500. He saved 25% of his total income. Find the amount saved by him. Listen. Total income of Ranjit equal to rupees 7,500. His savings equal to 25% of his income. So that means 25% of 7,500. Now how will you write the 25%? 25 by 100 into, half means into 7,500. Now cancel this, 2 zeros. Now 25 into 75, multiply this one, 75 into 25, 5 5s are 25, 7 5s are 35 plus 2 37, 2 5s are 10, 7 2s are 14, 15, so 5 7 8 1, so 1 rupees 1,875. That is the saving amount. Saving by Ranjit. That is the answer. So with this sum, exercise 2.1 is over. So children, practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.